Write the quadratic function in standard form and sketch its graph. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, and x-intercept or intercepts. First, recall quadratic function in standard form is f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where a does not equal 0. Furthermore, the axis of symmetry is the vertical line with equation x equals h, and the vertex is the point hk. First, write in standard form. Write f of x equals x squared plus 2x. Prepare to complete the square. Add the quantity 2 divided by 2 squared to each side of the equation. Simplify to get f of x plus 1 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Factor the right side of the equation. This will give you f of x plus 1 equals the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. Rewrite as f of x equals the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 1. Next, identify the vertex and axis of symmetry. First, write f of x equals the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 1. Rewrite as f of x equals 1 times the quantity x minus a negative 1 squared plus a negative 1. So, the axis of symmetry is the vertical line with equation x equals negative 1, and the vertex is the point negative 1, negative 1. Next, find the x-intercept or intercepts. First, write f of x equals x squared plus 2x. To find the x-intercepts, substitute 0 for f of x and solve the resulting equation for x. You will get 0 equals x squared plus 2x. Factor the right side of the equation to get 0 equals x times the quantity x plus 2. Set each factor equal to 0. X equals 0. To solve the equation x plus 2 equals 0 for x, subtract 2 from each side of the equation. You will get x equals negative 2. So the x-intercepts are 0, 0, and negative 2, 0. Now you're ready to sketch the graph of the function. First, draw the axis of symmetry. Plot the vertex point negative 1, negative 1. Next, plot the x-intercepts, negative 2, 0, and 0, 0. To graph f of x equals x squared plus 2x, draw a parabola through the plotted points.